This is the best marketing business opportunity right now. And when we get there, you're going to realize how simple and straightforward this really is. If you can identify this and you have a clear target, I think you have something. Time, trends, last thing. A lot of business owners can't make videos. It's not that they don't want to. They would if they could, but they literally can't. Maybe they don't have a good computer. Maybe they don't subscribe to any good softwares, right? Maybe they don't know how to use Descript. Maybe they don't know how to use the new AI tools. Maybe they don't know how to use Adobe Premiere. It's too complicated. You know, maybe they used to use something else and it's gone now. So these haunt business owners. I find them myself. Like, as much as I've spent time in video in my life, and I believe I'm in the 99 percentile probably, like, these are still hard to keep up on. There's new software to skill up on. There's new methods to stay aware of. And nobody's got time anymore, right? Nobody's got time anymore. When inflation goes up, time goes down because everyone's got to go work a little bit harder to kind of get the exact same thing out of life, which is so unfortunate. So this is where we start. This is where we start. Can we get some focus there? Yeah, this is where we start. You can't start a business until you think about demand. You don't want to make up demand. See, I was a pioneer. It just clicked to me that I'm a pioneer. I'm actually not an early adopter. I actually chop the bushes down so that one day someone will come to the beach and follow my trail. Okay, that's what it is. I thought I was an early adopter. I realized I'm a pioneer. So I'm so much further ahead, and I end up going too far too fast and all the time, you know. So channeling demand is about staying where it's happening, right? Instead of constantly moving forward, which is a mistake I tend to make. We need to channel the demand that exists today in YouTube, not try to create the next fancy thing, okay? So YouTube's a great place to be. Like, I might be like, oh, it's not even that cool anymore. What's the newest thing? But when it comes to business, they're always behind. And you have to, if you want to earn and have a business, you have to be able to thoughtfully stay where demand is and go serve that. Okay, I think we can move on from this. I hope you guys took some notes.